Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at stocks here, especially from the energy and commodity sectors. We are seeing that they've moved since the lows of early this year. Nice movement here. For example, CNX has moved from about $5 to the highs of about, let's call it the lower 20s. So a nice move this year, but something seems to be developing here, and you can see that the last time we had uniform activity rejection as we tried to move above 50 was for the highs there. Over the last couple of months, we've been trying to move above RSI 50 on the monthly, and we've been rejected each time. Now there's something here that you can also take a look at the longer term picture, which is a little bit troubling for those who are long, because this is where it broke down. Because if you take a look at this break here, sometime in late 2014, so the break there brought the stock lower, let's call it from the mid 30s, and now we can draw a line from here, and you can see that since that break we've come back to that red line. We've been rejected over the last 2 months, which means that currently the stock is giving a sell signal. We can also see from the price, if you take the lows here in 09, so the lows here, we broke through the lows in 2015. We are coming back to test that level. We seem to be unable to move above that, so that's another worrying sign for those who are long. And if you zoom in to a closer view, we can also see that this is backtest failure zone. Connect the recent RSI lows going back 2012, and you can see this has been a problem. The same line has been a problem since this break here, which is the movement in the mid 30s. It's been rejected every time it tries to move above that blue line. All these have been good timing sell signals, and even here we can see that over the last couple of months we've been rejected here, forming a triple top over the last monthly highs here and here. So more than likely this is suggestive of a market that wants to bring this stock lower in the coming weeks, coming months. And don't forget, if you take a look at the weekly chart also, we see evidence of improvement in price highs, but this came at the expense of technicals, which were making lower highs. Because of that, looks like net, if one was to make a bet where this stock wants to go in the coming weeks and coming months, it looks like right now it is pointing down. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace and blessings. E-A-C-S. Woo!